After having our dinner plus lunch, we might go someplace for ice cream. I'm still getting used to this Noda. Some people are telling me Noda, some people Noda. Here is the ice cream place. Popbar. That's where we are. Thank you. We are gonna get some ice cream. Wow. Oh yeah? Very nice. Which one you want here? Hey. Okay. Which one you guys want to get?
I think we'll get vanilla.
Huh? Vanilla?
Yeah.
Okay, I will go with vanilla. Which one you want to get? Okay, he will just share with me. I will get pistachio. 2 pistachio. You don't want it? It's okay. You're full?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Thank you.
I think that inside of it.
Wow. Toasted marshmallow.
Does it?
Dipped in top. Anything on the coffee? Mint cinnamon. Mint chocolate. Any toppings for you?
Mint caramel chocolate.
Okay. Any toppings for
I would like to have pistachios.
you? Anything else on the top for you?
This one.
You got coffee dipped in top.
Oh man,
That looks
that's
yummy.
cool.
On the first pistachio.
Yeah, milk chocolate and pistachio.
Cashew.
Yeah.
Get in the
Another
bag.
pistachio. So 4 you want it?
Okay, now आपकी turn है.
I will take as it is.
Pistachio, yeah.
That's cool. Looks so good.
Your total comes to $20.30. You can tip or skip, and then
Yeah.
tamper insert your card.
Card here?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your time. The napkins are up by the front window. You can remove your card.
You guys like it without anything? Sometimes it's good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You guys enjoy.
Enjoy it. Thank you. Wow. Looks good. You want to try this one? Take a bite. Wow, this is good. Really good. I like it.
How do they not melt? I feel
I'm gonna call it a day here. We got this ice cream. This is the first time I saw this something like this. So your hands are not dirty because if this is melting, you have this paper, and then you can actually. So it was a fun day. We enjoyed coming here. I will make some more videos on Charlotte, uptown, and all that. So it will be fun. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next videos.